Well, that windy weather last night was not kind to drivers on the roads.
Not at all. The strong winds made driving challenging for anyone on the roads overnight. KCCI's Marcus McIntosh is live with a look at some of the damage caused by the wind. Marcus.
Lauren, Ben, we're standing in Des Moines where you can see I-235 behind me, where heavy winds can make driving treacherous for semi-drivers. Now, we visited DMAC's Transportation Institute where we spoke with an instructor who tells us what he teaches the drivers there to keep the semis upright when the winds are howling.
We teach basic building blocks.
Dave Spencer is an instructor at the DMAC Transportation Institute. Among the things he teaches his students learning to drive a semi is how to stay upright when the wind becomes problematic.
The best thing to do is to slow down and lean into the wind. If you lean into the wind, for some reason, it's an odd thing, but it seems to help you control that side-to-side motion.
The Iowa State Patrol has confirmed this overturned semi near Marnie is a result of the wind. The driver was hurt, but not seriously. He was checked out by paramedics on scene. Spencer says drivers should pay attention to the forecast, and if the wind could be a problem, the most important thing is to stay alert.
When you get a good wind gust, if you're not prepared for how you're going to handle it, you could actually become a greater risk of blowing over.
In Pleasant Hill, the wind could be the reason why this stoplight at East University is no longer standing. The police were there directing traffic, and a team was there to return things to working order. The bottom line for Spencer is semi-drivers shouldn't try to fight gusty winds. The safest thing to do is pull over and wait it out.
We've had winds before that have blown trailers over that are sitting still. So the best thing to do if the wind is gusting strong is just find a good safe place to park.
Spencer also said semis need a lot of room because a gust of wind can easily blow them out of their lanes. We're live in Des Moines. I'm Marcus McIntosh, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.